Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed a proprietary AI app that lets you create advanced ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 prompts ready to sell and scale in seconds. Plus, access a built-in store preloaded with 80,000 high-demand prompts to kickstart your journey. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E 3 are transforming the way businesses create content, design visuals, and solve problems. But here's the challenge. The quality of output depends entirely on the quality of the prompts. Crafting high-performing prompts that deliver exceptional results is not only time-consuming but also requires a level of expertise that many lack. This is where PromptBuddy steps in as the game changer. Imagine a tool that doesn't just help you sell prompts. It empowers you to create advanced, ready-to-use prompts in seconds. Whether it's ChatGPT for copywriting, MidJourney for stunning AI art, or DALL-E 3 for hyper-realistic imagery, PromptBuddy makes it effortless to generate, scale, and sell prompts that people are eager to buy. With its built-in store preloaded with 80,000 high-demand prompts and cutting-edge features like the bulk prompt creator, PromptBuddy doesn't just solve the problem. It unlocks a whole new income opportunity. It's more than a tool. It's your ticket to thriving in the booming AI economy. How PromptBuddy makes it easy to create, scale, and sell prompts. Step 1. Create advanced prompts instantly. Enter a keyword or description, and PromptBuddy generates tailored prompts for ChatGPT, MidJourney, or DALL-E 3 in seconds. No creativity or expertise needed. Step 2. Scale or start selling. Use the bulk prompt creator to scale your prompts into multiple niches or start selling immediately using the preloaded store with 80,000 prompts. Step 3. Collect payments effortlessly. Connect your PayPal, Stripe, or bank account to receive payments instantly and watch your profits grow. All without technical hassles. And that's it. If you're tired of struggling and want to change, PromptBuddy is the shortcut you've been looking for. It's only fair that such an incredible deal is available for a limited time. First movers can take advantage of this cutting-edge technology. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about embracing the change as quickly as possible to profit like never before. In the unlikely event that you don't make unprecedented profits with your PromptBuddy, we offer a complete refund. Simply ask, and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. PromptBuddy will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get PromptBuddy at the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.